There is a wave for documentary channels all over the internet. Fern uploaded 80 videos and gained 3.5 million subs, earning $85K per month. A similar channel, Neo, uploaded 77 videos, has 2.7 million subs, and earns $28K per month. This documentary niche is so trendy that I found a channel that uploaded only 4 videos and gained 38K subs. But in all of them, the question is, their edits and storytelling skills are so good that no one can match them. But in this video, I will teach you their formula for success. From making a perfect script to creating 3D animations like them. I'll also show you how to edit everything together to make your first video with the help of free AI tools. Moreover, I'll also tell you how they're making more money than AdSense with these videos at the end, so stick around. The working prompts I've attached in the docs, which you can access for free in the description. So now let's find our topic first. I'll head to ChatGPT and type this simple prompt. I want to make documentary-style videos like Fern. What topic can I choose right now to go viral that is in trend and high demand? Suggest me at least 10 topics. It will be a US-based channel, and I am attaching a screenshot of their most viral video. Here, I'll also attach the screenshot of Fern's popular section to guide GPT to come up with ideas like Fern. And here we go. Among these, I like the hacker who hijacked an entire city's traffic system. This topic gives curiosity and thrill at the same time and has the potential to go viral. Moreover, I'd like to tell you one secret about selecting topics. See this. The most viral video on Fern's channel is the one when Trump got shot. And you know what? I was monitoring this channel. They uploaded this video just a few hours after Trump got shot. They rode the trend with cool animations. You can also spot these trends and act fast. Like recently, the US bombed Iran with their B-2 bombers. You can see the people who got their video on this have millions of views. It's simple supply and demand theory. You need to act fast, nothing more. Okay, so our idea is ready. To generate story and script like them, firstly, I need to watch their videos closely. So after watching hundreds of videos like them, I came up with a simple formula most videos follow. They start with a cliffhanger, then they recite with continuous open loops, and end by revealing the secret. So I will also do the same using ChatGPT. But first, ChatGPT needs to know what we actually want from it. So now I will open this video from Fern and copy the whole transcript and paste it into ChatGPT like this and say, remember these scripts I am giving. Now I will give it a couple more viral scripts and then type this, and here I will paste my title. You can find this prompt in the docs in the description for free. So now ChatGPT will do all the heavy lifting for you and make an awesome script. Now I will copy it and paste it into the docs and make a few tweaks according to me. And the final script with awesome storytelling is completed. Okay, so our story is ready. Now for visuals, I will choose Leonardo AI, and in that, I will use the image-to-image generator. How? Let me show you. First, log into Leonardo AI and launch the app. Now here I want 2 things, a prompt and a reference image of 3D models like Fern. So for the prompt, I will go to ChatGPT and paste my first paragraph of the script and write, I want all the prompts to generate images for these scenes. Now ChatGPT will give you a few prompts for the scenes, so our prompts are ready. Now I will go to Fern's channel, open a video, and take a screenshot of their 3D models. So our reference image is also ready. Awesome. Now it's time to upload and paste the prompt in Leonardo AI like this. And make sure to set the aspect ratio to 69 from here. Now I will hit generate, and in a few minutes, the images come out awesome. Now we have the images. I will also generate some more images so that it will look good in animations by following a similar process. And here we go. I've generated it all. Now it's time to animate them. For animations, I will use Kling AI. It's a free AI tool that helps you animate images to create real animated videos. Kling AI produces ultra-realistic AI videos like these. You can see them on their website. It's an awesome free AI tool with limited credits. So now I simply log in with my email on Kling AI, and here you can see many sample videos. Now I will click on the video section, and at the top, I will make sure to select the image to video option. Here it is. Now, as you can see, it is asking for 2 images for the same incident you want to animate, one for the start and one for the end. So I will simply upload the first one. For the second one, I will go to ChatGPT and say, I want a similar image after the collision. And ChatGPT does that. Now I will download the image and upload it to Kling AI here, like this. Now, before hitting generate, scroll a little bit and see this option. Add sound effects with video creation. Check it because it's free too. And now I will hit generate, and in a few minutes, it's completed. How awesome is that? Now I will follow a similar style to create a couple more animations and also find some video clips and images of that hacker to build trust in my edits. All these edits also mix real footage with animations to make it feel more real. I will simply search those using Google and free resources. Now that your animations are ready, it's time to bring your story to life with a professional voiceover. We'll use 11 Labs, one of the most powerful AI voice generators out there. It creates natural, studio-quality narration that sounds like a real human, perfect for documentary content like Fern or Neo. Start by going to 11 Labs and signing up. It only takes a minute. Once inside, head straight to the Voices tab. This is where you pick the voice that sets your channel's tone. Whether you want something calm and cinematic or intense and dramatic, you'll find a voice that fits. For documentary storytelling, I recommend something neutral but expressive, so it carries emotion without sounding overacted. Next, paste your final script into the editor. Before hitting generate, adjust the stability, clarity, and style sliders to better match your storytelling beats. If a section is fast-paced or action-heavy, raise the energy. If it's suspenseful, slow things down and let the pauses breathe. These micro-adjustments make a big difference in how your audience connects with the story. Now click generate and give it a listen. If something sounds off, maybe a name is mispronounced, or the pacing feels robotic, just tweak that part of the script or readjust the voice settings. Once you're happy with how it sounds, go ahead and download the voiceover file. So now I have my animations, resources, and all visuals with the voiceover. I will now just download some documentary sound effects and music to complete all my assets from Pixabay. Now it's time to stitch it all together to make the final documentary. Now open your editing software. Whether it's CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Premiere Pro, anything works as long as it allows keyframe control and layering. Start by importing your voiceover and placing it on the timeline. This will be your backbone. Then drop your animations and real footage on top, making sure the visuals match what's being said in the voiceover. Add smooth transitions between scenes, especially when switching between real footage and AI animations. Use zoom-ins, slow pans, and glitch effects to keep it dynamic. Don't leave any scene static for too long. Quick pacing helps keep viewers locked in. Next, add your background music at a low volume underneath the voiceover. Adjust the levels so it never overpowers the narration. Then layer in your sound effects, like typing sounds, sirens, crowd murmurs, right where they enhance the action. Finally, give your video a slight cinematic grade, boost contrast, reduce highlights, and add a bit of vignette. Once everything feels tight and seamless, export your video in 1080p or higher, and boom, you've just built your first viral level documentary. Let's see together.
At exactly 8:02 a.m., every single traffic light in downtown Los Angeles turned green, all at once. Cars from every direction surged into intersections, colliding, spinning, flipping, screams, horns, sirens. Within seconds, the city's streets descended into chaos, and the hacker who did it was still watching. This is not a movie. This actually happened, and no one knew why. Not yet. At first, officials thought it was a malfunction, a rogue sensor, a system update gone wrong, because how else do every traffic light in a major US city fire green in perfect sync? But the pattern was too precise. Downtown, then midtown, then airport corridors. It cascaded like a controlled explosion, calculated, timed, deliberate.
Awesome! You've just created a killer documentary using nothing but AI tools. And trust me, that's something most people only talk about doing. But here's a secret most people miss. These channels aren't just making $85K per month from AdSense. Nope, they're actually doubling that through sponsorships. If you scroll down to any of Fern's video descriptions, you'll see that nearly every single video is sponsored. And sponsors, they pay big, like 20 to 30K per video, kinda big. So seriously, what are you waiting for? Go make and upload your first documentary today.